Adele, we have arrived in sunny Spain. We've had a brilliant few weeks now here in Spain, in the Bay of Roses. We are staying just about a 10-minute walk from the town of Roses itself in Camping Rodas. There are two sites in Roses itself which you can walk into the town. This one, Camping Rodas, and there's another one which is slightly closer to town, called Salata. The reason I didn't book Salata was when I looked at the pictures, the pool just looked slightly smaller. Other than that though, they're much of a muchness. They're both really nice sites from what I can see, but Salata is that little bit closer to Roses town itself. But Rodas, Camping Rodas, which we're staying at, is only a short walk to the supermarkets, which is handy. We've had a really chilled few weeks here and it's been lovely. So nice to use the pool, to walk to the beach, the bars and the restaurants. It's a really nice site if you want to have that holiday, you know, where you'd go in an apartment self-catering, but be in your own comfort of your own caravan, have your own things, and be close to a resort town, which is lovely. And Trixie as well, I can reveal, is now Spanish. Aren't you, Trixie? Yes, we managed to get her a Spanish passport. So we got here on the Friday, and we had Saturday just chilling and relaxing. Sunday the vets was closed, so we went down Monday to the vets and we asked if we could make an appointment for a pet passport, and she said straight away yes, no problem, which was good. She said it was a bit crazy on a Monday, so to come back the next day, Tuesday at 3 o'clock, which we did, and we've now got her a pet passport of her own, which is brilliant. And it also means that she was able to have a rabies vaccine more than 3 weeks before we return to the UK, which is really good, which means then we've now got the passport to travel back on, as well as the animal healthcare certificate as a backup, so that's really, really good. As you can see from the campsite, and I'll try and give you a tour as well, there are some static caravans just across from us there. The pictures aren't huge, but we managed to get our car, just if we park it like sideways onto the pitch. It's not there at the moment, as Jamie and Maisie have got off to the water park. Again, that's only a short drive away, about 5 minutes, that's all. And so it's so handy having everything to hand. We've hardly had to use the car at all. But I'll show you some of the things that we've got up to over the last few weeks here in the Bay of Roses. So today we are off to Empuriabrava, which is just a short drive from our campsite here at Roses. It's only about 5 minutes in the car, and it's actually in Empuriabrava where we have been to go and get Trixie's pet passport, so we know it well already. It's known as the Spanish Venice because it has all these lovely sea canals. So we're going to hire a boat and we're going off then to explore Empuriabrava, so we hope you enjoy it. Come with us. Empuriabrava is often called the Venice of the Costa Brava. With over 24 kilometres of canals and direct access to the Mediterranean Sea, this place is made for boating. And guess what? You can rent a boat here, whether you're a seasoned captain or a first-time sailor. So if you've ever dreamed of cruising the canals or exploring the beautiful coastline, keep watching, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to hire a boat in Empuriabrava. Empuriabrava is one of Europe's largest residential marinas, with over 5,000 private berths, but what really makes this place unique is how easy it is to explore by boat. The canals wind through the town, offering beautiful views, and you can take your boat straight out to the open Mediterranean for a day of fun in the sun. Whether you're here for a family holiday or just for a relaxing day on the water, renting a boat is the way to go. We arrived first thing in the morning for when the boat hire companies opened. Hiring a boat in Empuriabrava is super easy. You can book online, as most companies offer online booking.
This allows you to browse boats, compare prices and reserve your ride before you even get here, which is super convenient if you're planning ahead. Or if you prefer to see the boats in person like we did, we just walk straight along the marina, and there are plenty of rental agencies right here by the water. The staff are usually really helpful and most speak English, so it's super easy to get everything sorted. We paid €110 to rent our boat for 4 adults, 2 children and of course Trixie. The rental company gave us a route to follow which took us all the way around the canals of Empuriabrava and lasted for the full hour of the rental. And it was lovely to check out all the stunning waterfront homes as we cruised along the canals. To take the boat back. We also spent a morning visiting one of the most fascinating and surreal places on earth, the Salvador Dali Museum in Figueres. Whether you're a fan of Dali or just curious about his eccentric world, this museum is a must-see for anyone travelling through Catalonia. Let's dive into the mind of this legendary artist and explore the magic of his creations. The museum is in Dali's hometown. It's the largest surrealist object in the world and was designed by Dali himself. The building was once a theatre, which Dali transformed into a museum dedicated to his art, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. From the moment you see the giant eggs perched on the roof, you know you're about to step into something truly extraordinary. Let's head inside. Once you're inside, it's like entering Dali's imagination. The museum houses over 1,500 works, ranging from paintings and sculptures to drawings, holograms and installations. Each room is a different world filled with Dali's iconic surrealist style. And in true Dali fashion, the artist himself is buried here in the museum, beneath the stage of the former theatre. You can actually walk right over his resting place. Definitely a surreal experience. One of the most famous rooms is the Mae West room, where furniture is arranged to assemble the face of actress Mae West when viewed from a specific vantage point. It's the kind of visual trick that makes Dali's work so mind-bending. We arrived for as soon as the museum opened early in the morning, and it was the best time to visit as it was much quieter. It also meant it was much cooler for Trixie walking around the town whilst we were inside, as unfortunately dogs aren't permitted inside. Visiting the Salvador Dali Museum in Figueres is an unforgettable experience. It's not just about admiring art, it's about stepping into Dali's world, full of imagination, creativity and a bit of madness. If you're travelling through Spain, make sure to add this museum to your itinerary. You won't regret it. Join us next time as we continue our European tour. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Many thanks for watching and take care.